Hello and welcome. This is an easy and shortcut tutorials for installing eSim on your Android device. Step 1, open camera, scan the QR, what you have got from service provider. Tap Add Plan to Phone. Step 2, when prompted, tap Add. Then allow up to 10 minutes for the eSim to activate. Then tap Done. Step 3, now configure your eSim settings correctly. Leave call and message option set to your original primary SIM. Tap only on mobile data. Select the eSIM, then tap change. Step 4, ensure data. Roaming is active. Go to settings, tap connection, tap mobile networks. Now ensure data roaming is turned on. That's it. Now restart your phone. For more info-based tech tutorials, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.